Riverview Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 10071 TOELLE Lane, Riverview, Missouri on April 12, 2022 at 5:04 p.m. Abducted was TAJZ Washington, black, male, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a red Lincoln. Vehicle is a early 2000s model, heavy window tint. Vehicle/suspect last seen unknown direction of travel from TOELLE Lane. Suspect is Tony Lee Washington Jr. a black, male, 27, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 160 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black shirt with writing, camouflage pants. Suspect has handgun. Victim TAJZ Washington. Last seen wearing a black t-shirt with writing, camouflage pants, and black shoes. Biological father assaulted a family member and displayed a handgun before leaving with a 2-year-old child. Broadcast for Troop C only. Please call 911 or Riverview Police Department at 314-868-9130 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.